Welcome to Go Garage.
In today's video, we're installing a set of Top Street Performance LT cast aluminum valve covers on the LT1 Gen V engine. First, I will unbox the kit and lay out the parts. Inside you will find the valve covers, O-ring gaskets, mounting hardware, and the matching oil-filled cap. Before mounting the covers, it's important to clean the surface of the heads. I'm using rubbing alcohol and a clean rag to remove any oil or debris for a proper seal. Next, I will install the provided gaskets into the grooves on the covers, making sure that they sit flush all the way around. Now, I will set the first valve cover in place and hand thread the bolts. These covers are a clean upgrade for the LT platform. They add more valve train clearance, include mounts for stock coils, and come with everything you need for the install. I will tighten them evenly in a crisscross pattern to properly seat the gasket. Then I will install the oil cap. I will repeat the process on the other side. Gasket in, surface clean, cover on, and bolts tightened. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tutorials. This concludes today's video. Thank you for watching.